Hello everybody, and welcome to today's SIX Open House. It's very nice to see so many people here. My name is Christer Norström and I'm CEO of SIX, and I will guide you through this program today. But before we start, I would like to say a few words, some reflections. 4 or 5 years ago, we had this event. It was a lot of talk about Internet of Things. You remember, we had a talk about Internet of Things maybe 15 years ago, 5 years ago, but still that was some kind of things that happened in the high tech or in the university world, etc. And we could say that we were experts in Internet of Things. Today, Internet of Things are exploding. I mean, it's like internet, suddenly it just took off. And it's not only Internet of Things. What is happening right now, it's about the cloud. Everything is cloudified. It's about analytics. And also things that are coming up and getting more and more important is, of course, security. But also integrity, privacy issue. Trust is becoming more and more important. And so from my perspective, it is some kind of revolution happening right now. It's a next phase in this digitalization. And it's happening everywhere. And in the industry, we have seen a lot of optimization of processes based on this new technology, of course. But we also start to see totally new business models, new revenue channels, etc. And that is coming now, and we see a lot of examples of that in smart homes, etc., and automation, transportation. And we have been working with that, of course, we as a community. But we also see a big change now in public sector. We see it in healthcare, we see it in e-governance, we see it even in school. Things are happening. And I think for Sweden to be really on the edge and be competitive in the future, we must be into these new application areas with this high tech. And our skill in building system, we have to take advantage of that. So I think it's so important, the system perspective. And when I say system perspective, I don't only mean technology. I really mean from the user value to technology, building systems. And that is the challenge today, including business models. We also see things coming up like democracy issues. I mean, the democracy is challenged today by, I would say, the use of information technology. And that is getting also important in the things we are doing, that we think about that. We have a responsibility. So, what is SIX then? I mean, SIX success is when we can help our partners, our customers to create value. So the partners and customers' success is our success. So remember that. We are for you. That is important. So of course, what are we doing right now? We're of course working a lot with, what we're talking about, the next generation cloud technology, analytics, we're working with Internet of Things, applications, security, privacy, and how to build these complex systems. We also put a lot of effort into going to new application areas like healthcare, e-health. So we are about 150 people. We're running around 200 projects per year, varying from size from a couple of weeks to several years. But remember, we're nothing except you. And I would like to look at you. You're friends, your partners, your customers, your colleagues. And we as a community, we need to really try to, a day like this, see what is the next step. How could we collaborate in new ways? How could we assure that Sweden is still on the edge, the positive edge of technology and business.